Hi guys, Maria Mitchell here. Thanks for joining me for another face painting tutorial. I have a super special guest today. Her name is Ali.
Hi everyone.
Now today I'm going to show you how to face paint what I call a fairy eye. It's a pretty colourful eye design that comes right up the side here and it looks super pretty. I'm going to bling it up with some really shimmery glitter at the end. So I'm going to start off with an orange Starblend powder. So powders are quite good for doing backgrounds for certain designs because they're nice and light and they're not so dense on a child's face. You can blend them in really nicely with different colors. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. I'm going to start with applying the orange right over Ali's really pretty eye here. Now loading up a Starblend yellow. So here I'm going to do another layer right along here on top of the orange. And I'm going to spread it over almost underneath the edge of the eye. I like to blend the two colours together with my pinky. Now I've just gone ahead and loaded up some teal on my face painting sponge and I'm just going to dab on some teal right above the yellow. So dabbing it on nice and smoothly. We try not to drag it because we don't want to get it too streaky. So just framing that yellow that went on beforehand. Okay, so now I've loaded up a Starblend pink. And I'm just going to smooth it into the teal that's been applied below. If we just move our gorgeous face this way, we'll be able to see. So now I'm just blending them all in together and framing the rest of those colors. So now using a number 4 round brush, I'm going to do all my line work over this background. So also bearing in mind when we're using Starblends and powders, they do tend to soak up a lot of the paint on your brush. So try to make sure that your brush is nicely loaded before you apply onto Starblends or any powders. I'm going to start with a big swirl along here. So I've gone from thin, pressing right down to thick, and then pulling up to thin again. I'm going to go ahead and bring down another swirl right along the side of the face here, pulling up as I'm getting to that end. I'm going to bring a brush stroke from thick to thin inward and another one from thick to thin inward. They're all pointing to the center of the face. Another brush stroke going inward, and then we've got another largish swirl right down the bottom here. Now with a number 1 round brush, I'm going to commence making some pretty little dots. With a number 3 round brush, I'm going to make a little love heart right here by pressing in. So pressing right down and then pressing up. I'm just going to add some curls and swirls. And some highlights around the black. I like to add some dots right in the middle between the eyes and just finishing the outline. And now to finish off, I'm just going to outline the love heart. I'm going to use a poofer. It's from Tag. It's holographic white glitter and it's super sparkly. So I just ask the child to close their eyes and I'm going to do a fine mist of spray on their face and keep your eyes closed. Now this is where all the pretty glitter comes along and it just makes that water mist just makes the glitter stick to the skin. Thanks for watching. If you got something out of this, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any face painting related questions or you need something that you need clarified, make sure you comment down below and I'll do my absolute best to share my knowledge with you in the next video. I'm on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Don't forget to follow me so we don't miss each other for the next one. Until next time, happy painting.